In New York, a landlord's obligation to maintain a rental property in a habitable condition isn't just a best practice. It's the implied warranty of habitability codified in real property law, paragraph 235B. And when a tenant provides written notice of a habitability issue, the clock starts. If you don't respond and repair within a reasonable time, the tenant may have grounds to withhold rent, make repairs and deduct the cost, or terminate the lease. And in New York City, file a complaint with HPD that generates a formal building violation on your record. Our free New York tenant maintenance request form gives tenants a structured, professional way to document repair requests in writing. The issue, its location, when it started, the urgency level, access availability, and a request for confirmation of receipt and anticipated repair timeline. When submitted to a landlord in writing, it creates the documented notice that New York law requires before certain tenant remedies become available. For landlords, a written maintenance request is actually your friend. It documents the date you received notice, tells you exactly what needs attention, and creates the paper trail that shows you acted promptly, which is your best defense against habitability claims. Landlords who respond to written requests within days have substantially better outcomes in HP proceedings and housing court than those who respond to nothing until a violation is issued. Download the free Fillable PDF and use it for every repair request throughout any New York tenancy. Landlords, reduce maintenance-related disputes by starting every tenancy with a well-screened tenant at tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Our comprehensive reports help you find tenants who maintain units well and communicate professionally.